Chris Abraham from Go Math. If you're watching this video right now, it means you're a teacher, a graduate student, a professional that's going back into a teaching career, and you're looking to pass the math MTELs. That could be the general curriculum, the 53, the 47, the 51, the 09. It all depends on where you want to go as a teacher, but you're going to have to be taking these MTEL math exams to become a teacher. So we're going to be looking at concepts with these videos. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be making 2 videos a week. So you can use this to help you study. I do work privately with teachers one-on-one, and there is also the Harvard Square MTEL Math workshops, which if you haven't gone to, you should really check out. They're a lot of fun, and usually a teacher would go to a workshop, they would do the tutoring privately one-on-one, and they'd be in a great shape to pass their test. That's just how it works. But I also want to give this opportunity for you to learn online, and so this video and other videos are going to help you do that. This is Chris Abraham. Thank you for watching Go Math. Let's get started on our next concept. Okay, we're going to talk today about a very fun concept called slope. And when I think about slope, I don't know about you, but I think about skiing down a mountain. Or skiing up a mountain. So let me draw a picture of a mountain here. There's my mountain. There's the snowy peak. And we're going to talk about slopes, and I want you to have this visual of a mountain. And I want you to imagine going up the mountain. We could say going up the mountain is like a positive slope because you're trekking up the mountain. And we can think of going down the mountain as sort of a negative slope. Now, we're going to talk in slope, and you're going to see in the video that's coming up about look at a problem involving slope. But I just want you to get a sense that when we're talking about, let's say, a line, for example, like this one right here. Let me do a little erasing. Like if I drew a grid here with an x and y axis, here's my x-axis, here's my y-axis, and I always, just as a review, think of the x as my input, y is my output, and I have this line. The line is moving from low to high, so I'm going to say it has a positive slope. It's going from low to high, it's going up the mountain in a positive direction. Now if I saw a line, a different line, let's say, that was going, let's say, from here to here, well, this line is going from high to low. I'm going to say, just because it's going from high to low, it's going down the mountain. Remember, here's our mountain here, our snowy peak. We're going to say it has a negative slope. I just want you to get that concept in mind, a positive and negative slope, just by looking at it. All right, so let's go back. Let me do a little erasing. And let's just really quickly go through the ABCs of finding out what slope is. Now let's look at these graphs and these lines and determine the slope values. In answer choice A, the line is flat. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. It has a slope of 0. In answer choice B, it actually goes up pretty rapidly from low to high. So it has a positive slope, and it's a steep positive slope. Answer choice C goes from low to high, so it's a positive slope, not as steep as answer choice B. And then the final one, answer choice D, goes from high to low, which means it has a negative slope. Take a look at that problem, make sure you understand that. This problem here we're going to look into in the next video, but it's asking us what could be the best equation for this line. If you just look at, I want you to look at this graph. Does it have a positive or negative slope? I'm hoping that you see that this is going from low to high. So this graph is going to have a positive slope. And we'll look at this one again in the next video and work through it. It's a great problem. Finally, in this problem here, you're asked to find out what would be a possible parallel line. Now, parallel lines have the same slope. So if 2 lines are parallel, they're going to have the exact same slope. Now just by looking at the picture, I'm hoping you see that it's going from high to low. That means it's going to have a negative slope. So the parallel line that it's going to match has a negative slope. Hi team, here's a copy of the one-on-one MTEL math schedule in the fall and winter. Take a look and see if any of these times work. I'd be happy to work with you if you know you need some one-on-one help. And here's some more information about the MTEL Math Workshop. This is fun. It's a great opportunity to get a great overview of the math MTELs. You should definitely take advantage of it. We have them throughout the year. Thanks everyone for listening. Leave your comment in the box below. Have a great
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gone?